In this video, we're diving into how to set up an LLC in Delaware and why entrepreneurs are drawn to the first state. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions when it comes to your LLC. Now, if you've ever read about companies incorporating in Delaware, then you might wonder what's so special about that small state. Is it only for big corporations, or can small businesses benefit too? By the end of this guide, you'll understand the steps, costs, and benefits, and potential drawbacks of forming a Delaware LLC and decide whether it's right for you. So here's something to consider. Delaware has more registered companies than residents, and it isn't because everyone is opening a lemonade stand there. The state's business-friendly legal system, flexible statutes, and robust privacy protections make it a magnet for companies of all sizes. But there are trade-offs, like higher annual fees and the need to register in multiple states if you operate elsewhere. So let's break it all down. Advantages of forming a Delaware LLC. Business-friendly laws. Delaware's legal framework is tailored to support businesses. Its statutes are detailed and flexible, offering clear guidance on how LLCs operate. The Delaware Limited Liability Company Act gives members and managers wide latitude to structure their company's internal affairs as they see fit. This predictability is a major draw, especially for investors who want to avoid any legal surprises. Court of Chancery. Delaware's Court of Chancery is a specialized court that handles business disputes. Unlike typical courts, it doesn't use juries and instead relies on judges experienced in corporate law. This leads to faster, more consistent rulings and reduces uncertainty in legal disputes. Companies value this because it means any disagreements can be resolved efficiently and with a deeper understanding of business complexities. No state income tax on out-of-state income. If your LLC operates mostly outside of Delaware, the state won't tax your out-of-state income. For online businesses or companies selling to customers nationwide, this can lead to significant savings. Keep in mind that you'll still owe taxes in the states where you actually do business, but Delaware's policy can reduce the overall burden. Privacy protection. Delaware doesn't require you to list the name of LLC members or managers in public filings. This anonymity appeals to owners who don't want their ownership publicly linked to their company. It can also help protect against frivolous lawsuits because potential plaintiffs can't easily identify deep-pocketed owners. Disadvantages and consideration. Higher annual fees. Forming a Delaware LLC isn't the cheapest option. The filing fee is $110 and the annual franchise tax is $300, regardless of the size of your income or your business. While $110 is a mid-range filing cost, the annual franchise tax is definitely on the higher end compared to other states. Now, Florida, for example, charges an annual report fee around $138.75, while Delaware's flat tax is more than twice that amount. Dual registration if you operate elsewhere. If your business physically operates outside of Delaware, for instance, if you run a shop in California or provide services in Texas, you'll likely need to register as a foreign LLC in those states. That means paying fees and filing reports in both Delaware and your home state. This dual registration can double your annual fees and paperwork. The Delaware LLC structure still provides benefits like privacy and legal predictability, but weigh them against the extra compliance costs. Complexity for small local businesses. If your operations are entirely local to another state, forming an LLC in that state might be simpler and cheaper. Delaware's advantages mostly benefit companies with investors, businesses seeking to raise funds, or those looking for strong legal precedents. For a local bakery or a landscaping company that never plans to seek outside capital, your home state may offer a better balance between cost and benefit. Step-by-step guide to forming a Delaware LLC. All right, so if you're ready to move forward, let's walk through the steps to establish your Delaware LLC. Step 1, choose a name and check availability. You want to pick a unique name for your LLC that meets Delaware's requirements. So it must include limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Your chosen name must be distinguishable from existing business names. You can conduct a name search using the Delaware Division of Corporations Name Availability Search tool online. This quick check helps avoid rejection of your filing due to a duplicate name. If you want to reserve your name before filing, Delaware allows reservations for 120 days for a fee of $75. Reserving a name isn't required, but it gives you time to prepare your filings without worrying that someone else will snag your name. Name reservations can be completed online or by mail using the appropriate form. Step 2, choose a registered agent. Delaware requires all LLCs to have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. The agent receives legal documents and official mail for your company. You can act as your own registered agent if you live in Delaware, but most out-of-state owners use a professional service. Registered agent fees typically range anywhere from $50 to $300 per year, depending on the provider and the additional services offered. Choosing a registered agent service can offer privacy, since the service's address is public instead of yours. Convenience, someone is always available during business hours, and additional features like mail forwarding and compliance reminders. Step 3, prepare and file the certificate of formation. So the certificate of formation, also called the Articles of Organization in some states, is the document that officially creates your LLC. In Delaware, you file this form with the Division of Corporations. It's a short document with just a few required items. Name of the LLC, and this must match the name that you chose and include limited liability company or some abbreviation. The registered agent's name and address, so the agent must be located in Delaware. And the signature of organizer. The organizer is the person submitting the filing. They don't have to be a member of the LLC. Filing fee is $110 if submitted online. You can also file by mail, but processing times are about the same, around 10 business days. Delaware does not differentiate between online and mail for processing times. However, mailing adds transit time. Online filing tends to be more convenient and provides immediate confirmation. Delaware offers expedited processing for an additional fee. Same-day processing costs more, and there are options for 24-hour or 2-hour processing if you're in a hurry. Expedited fees vary depending on how quickly you need the filing process. Step 4, draft an operating agreement. Delaware doesn't require an operating agreement by law, but it strongly encourages having one. This document outlines how your LLC is managed, how profits and losses are divided, voting procedures, and what happens if a member wants to exit or a new member wants to join. An operating agreement helps prevent disputes and shows banks and investors that your company is professionally organized. Even single-member LLCs benefit from an operating agreement. It demonstrates that you treat your business as a separate legal entity, which can help maintain your liability protection if someone challenges the legitimacy of your LLC. You can draft the agreement yourself using templates, but consider consulting an attorney if your business has multiple members or complex arrangements. Step 5, obtain an EIN. So an employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You need one if your LLC has more than one member, if it hires employees, or if you elect corporate taxation. Many banks require an EIN to open a business account, regardless of the LLC's size. Obtaining an EIN is free through the IRS. Online applications are processed immediately, while fax and mail applications take longer. If you're a non-US resident without a social security number, you can still get an EIN by filing Form SS4 via fax or mail. The process takes several weeks, so plan ahead if you're an international owner. Step 6, fulfill the beneficial ownership reporting, CTA compliance. So beginning in January 2024, the Corporate Transparency Act, or CTA, requires many LLCs to report information about their beneficial owners to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. Beneficial owners are individuals who own or control at least 25% of the company or who have substantial control over the entity. The report includes names, addresses, and identifying information. While the report is not public, failure to file can lead to penalties. Check FinCEN's guidelines to see if your LLC is exempt. Otherwise, submit the report on time. Step 7, pay the annual franchise tax. Delaware LLCs don't have to file annual reports like corporations do, but they must pay an annual franchise tax of $300. The tax is due by June 1 of each year. If you miss the deadline, the state charges a penalty of $200 plus 1.5% interest per month. Paying on time keeps your LLC in good standing and prevents administrative dissolution. You can pay through the Delaware Corporation's information system online. Now, if all that sounds like a headache, which to me it does, you can use something like LegalZoom. LegalZoom takes care of all the hard work for you. Let me show you just how easy it is. So to get started with LegalZoom, you can click the link down in the description and click on Start My Business. From here, there's a limited liability company, which starts at $0. You just pay the state filing fees. So we'll go ahead and click on Start My LLC. And from here, we're going to go ahead and enter a business name. So I'll call this Eric's Coffee Shop. And as you can see, they'll validate the name later. There's no need to add the LLC. They'll do that for you. So go ahead, click Next. Now we got to choose the state. So in this example, we'll go to Delaware and click Next. Now here we can go ahead and choose from one of LegalZoom's 3 different plans. There's the basic, which again is free. You just pay the state filing fees. The Pro plan for $249 in state filing fees, and the Premium plan for $299 plus state filing fees. So obviously you're gonna get a lot more stuff with the Pro and Premium plans. For example, with the Pro plan, you're gonna get that operating agreement for you, an EIN, unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations within the first 30 days, hands-on guidance, access to 150 plus customizable legal documents, and unlimited e-signatures for a year. The premium plan gets you all that, plus bookkeeping tools, unlimited customizable proposals and invoices to help you get paid, income and expense tracking, and automatic mileage capture. If you're just getting started, the basic plan is more than enough. And if you go with that, there are ways that you can get things like an operating agreement and an EIN for less than $249. So let's just do that. So I'm gonna click on Form My LLC here, and it's gonna ask for your contact information, which I'll go ahead and skip. And it's gonna ask what my coffee shop does. I'm just gonna type in coffee. And there it is, coffee shop. We'll click on next and next. Now here's where I go ahead and click on select plan. And this is where I could get that operating agreement for $99. Or I could get the operating agreement and an EIN for $159. Or I could get the operating agreement, the EIN forms, and the e-sign for $199, which is still cheaper than that $249 plan that we saw a few pages ago. I'm gonna go with that and click on select. Now here we've got two different options where LegalZoom's gonna help us out and give us a business bank account. You can either go with Mercury, which as they say is best for digital first business, or you can go with Bank of America. Now, if you want to go do this on your own, or maybe just at a later time, you can go ahead and click no thanks, which is what I'm going to do now. Now here you can go ahead and get some expedited processing. They've got 1-day expedited processing for $99, or if you want to save a couple bucks, you can go ahead and just get the standard processing. I'm going to also skip on the Founders Kit, which is just like a fancy little binder that keeps all your documents together, and click next. Now here you'll see for $339, we're going to go ahead and get started here with LegalZoom. So it looks like the Delaware filing fees are actually $140 on $110. And we're going to get the operating agreement, EIN, legal forms, and e-sign for $199. So for $339, you're going to get your LLC formed, as well as all this other stuff, which can be a headache to do on your own. So if you want to get started with LegalZoom, just click the link down below in the description to get started. So forming an LLC in Delaware offers some clear advantages: business-friendly statutes, a specialized business court, privacy, and no state income tax on out-of-state income. However, these benefits come with costs like higher annual franchise taxes and dual registration requirements if you operate elsewhere. For startups seeking investors or companies that value predictable legal systems, Delaware can be a strategic choice. For local businesses with no need for anonymity or investor appeal, forming in your home state might be simpler and cheaper. The steps to form your Delaware LLC are straightforward. Choose a name, designate a registered agent, file the certificate of formation, create an operating agreement, obtain an EIN, fulfill beneficial ownership reporting, pay your franchise tax, and register in other states where you operate. Or just get signed up with LegalZoom and they'll take care of all that for you. Now, one thing I didn't mention going through this is that LegalZoom actually does offer registered agent services, so you can get it all bundled under one roof. Following these steps carefully ensures that your company is compliant and protected. Ultimately, the best state for your LLC depends on your specific needs and growth plans. So use the information that we've covered today to weigh the pros and cons. Delaware's advantages align with your business goals. If not, your home state or another jurisdiction might offer a better balance of cost and benefit. But that's all for this video. Again, if you want to get started with LegalZoom, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Other than that, we'll see you next time.